Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So in this video I'll teach you how to customize any template in Canva. Canva, as we discussed in our first classes, Canva give us a lot of templates by which we can create a lot of designs by just putting our information in the template. So in this class I'll create a random size design, and we use Canva templates in it. So we can see how we create a beautiful design using Canva template. So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on create a design. After that, I'll click on custom size. So I write 500 by 500 pixels, means 500 width and 500 height. uh, this is the dimension of our design. I'll click on create a new design, and so this is a design window of Canva, and this is a top bar panel and this is a sidebar panel. I'll discuss in my classes. So if you want to watch this classes, so I'll give a playlist link in description, so you can go through these classes, or you can simply type Iron Tech on YouTube and go to my channel, and in playlist section you see the Canva designing core playlist, so you can go through these lectures. So uh, I want to make a food type design. So in search template I write food. So as you see, it provides me a lot of template, and some of them are paid and some are free. So as we are using a free Canva account, so we use free template. So I choose this template. Now this template is made by Canva team, so we can customize this template according to our data. So suppose I don't want to I don't like this color scheme, green color scheme, so I can change this. Like I change this scheme, I like blue color, so I type blue there, and one sec. First I choose this, and then I go to color section and I click on blue color. So as you see, the color is changed. So one by one I change all the graphic elements color in blue. So I also change the button color, and I totally change the theme of this post, and that's it. So I am not making a final design, but it is just to show you how you can customize a template in Canva. So the other thing we can do is we can change this order now text color. I like I think white suits, so I change this, and now I can also change the brand name, like this is special healthy spices, and I change this spices into food, special healthy food. So you can change this text according to your data. You can also change this. I like I type the food you must like. So as you can see, I also change the tagline, and there I can write my website name like www.abc.com, and I change this color into white because white suits with blue. So I also bold this and increase its size. So this is, and you can also change number like 033000. This is just a random number. So you can see we completely customize and change this template according to our need. So in this way we can customize any template like Instagram post template or Facebook post template, wedding design, wedding card design, business card design. uh, all the customization is done like this. So in the next videos I will teach you uh, Instagram post design. First of all, we use Canva template, and then we use uh, we used our own creativity by creating an Instagram post from scratch, from blank page like this. I I will make the Instagram post from scratch for you guys, uh, to teach you how to create attractive post in Canva from scratch. So I think that's it for today. I hope you will practice this video and keep practicing, keep learning. Like, share and subscribe this channel, and also tell your friends and family to join this course. This is free, so join this as soon as possible, and I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.